Method 1. Creating an iOS dataset using only Ray Tray. Insert the identical Ray Trayscan data for upper, lower, and byte. Select the necessary areas from the Ray Trayscan data and use the flip function to invert the inner-outer surface. You can now confirm the creation of aligned upper, lower, and byte data using the Ray Trayscan data. Method 2. Creating an iOS dataset using Ray Tray and additional scan data. Insert the respective iOS data for upper and lower, and insert the Ray Tray data for the byte. To align the intraoral scan data and the Ray Trayscan data, flip the Trayscan data. Align the inner surface of the flipped Ray Tray data with the inner surface of the upper and lower scan data, respectively. After alignment, flip the Ray Tray data back to its original orientation. You can now confirm the creation of the aligned upper, lower, and byte data.